Logitech K380 Keyboard Review. The Logitech K380 is a compact, lightweight Bluetooth keyboard. It measures 11.0 by 4.9 by 0.6 inches and weighs 14.9 ounces. Due to its small size, there's no number pad on the keyboard. Additionally, the top row and arrow keys are noticeably smaller than usual and shaped oval instead of round. The top row serves as both function keys and media controls, with 3 easy switch buttons in different colors that allow you to quickly switch between hooked-up devices. Logitech keyboards have this multi-device support, which allows you to use them with various pieces of technology. The larger K400 or K600 models would be more appropriate for that use. The K380 comes in 2 versions, tailored for PC and Mac users respectively. Both models can be used on either computer, but the keyboard layout and symbols vary slightly. Having the Start button or CMD key accessible in the correct spot makes it way more different than what you expect, particularly when it comes to touch typing. The keyboard runs using 2 disposable AAA batteries, which come with the package and can be inserted into the back. Although it is not as convenient as an internal rechargeable battery, its advertised runtime of up to 2 years is fairly impressive. On the side, there's a small, recessed power slider, and at the bottom, there are 4 rubber feet that prevent the keyboard from shuffling around when you type vigorously. Logitech Options allows you to customize the settings in a few ways. For example, you can set the top row of keys to always act as function keys or alter some of the assigned functions. Keys like scroll lock or the start key can be disabled if they are not being used. Additionally, notifications such as a low battery or pressing the lock keys can be deactivated if so desired. We chose the PC version of the K380, in dark blue, from its limited selection of colors. Connecting it to devices like a Windows laptop, MacBook Pro, iPhone, and Android devices was easy and only took a couple of seconds. For pairing mode, hold down one of the colored buttons for 3 seconds, indicated by a flashing light above it. Then, add a new Bluetooth device on the phone or laptop and optionally enter a 6-digit code to complete the connection in just a few seconds. While using any device, the characters we typed appeared instantaneously, without any lag or connection loss. Unlike so many cheaper Bluetooth keyboards, my experience was remarkably smooth. The level of key travel on the K380 was ample, making it comfortable to even use for hours when writing thousands of words a day. To ensure a healthy relationship, loud, clacky keyboards are not an option. Thankfully, the K380 keyboard is fairly quiet unless it's used aggressively, which makes it comparable to or better than most laptop keyboards. The arrow keys were precise, just like the larger keys such as Enter and Spacebar, which can be finicky on some other keyboards. The only issue we found was that the caps lock was too close to the A key. It is easy to press the former by accident. In a world where flashy new technology grabs people's attention, it can be difficult to get excited about something simple like a keyboard. Its usefulness is increased by its ability to pair with multiple devices, and if its battery life lives up to the advertisement, it should last a while. The plastic housing gives me caution about how long it will last, but so far there are no signs of wear or damage. I'll make sure to update this review if that changes, but based on its condition after a few weeks, everything is looking good. Thus, whether you are looking for a dependable Bluetooth keyboard to travel with or simply want an inexpensive one for your home office, the K380 does its job perfectly. It isn't necessarily my favorite mobile keyboard, but it is certainly close, and it gives excellent value for money based on its multitude of uses.